So now I'm making a small video here from the fig trees here in my village in Spain. This is how the fig trees look like here, guys. See? Vale. Fig trees, this one are the red ones. See, in las press. This is how the fig trees look like. It's been real stories here, guys. These ones are red ones. Have the red ones and the yellow ones. Espera una stona e grabo aquí, né? Wanted to show you guys a little bit more the different varieties here. These ones are the other kinds. Look at that. También son petites. These ones also are pretty big trees, but they are small ones. It's not their selva, no? It used to shake the video, you know. Shaking the video a little. So guys, this is how the place used to look like here. New trees. Hopefully next year they will start to produce, I think. But they are still small. What do you think?
Next year?
Next year. But they will make something.
Flying there.
Small beds.
Small ones, no?
Yeah. Still shells. It's funny for the small kids to see me with the video, no? It's funny for them to see me with the video, making videos for all the people. One guy is passing. There's a road there that connects to the village. Oh, look at que son familias. And these are some olive trees here, guys. Some olive trees with pipes, irrigation pipes. There's a forest view here. Olive trees. These are all olive trees there. Small jungle here. Forest view. Selva's jungle. Ah, no hi ha mentes. Tot s'ha mort.
No, no hi ha res, a veure.
Las pesos. Ah, mira, aquí hay pesos.
Sí.
Look at the fish. Guys, a lot of fish here. A small fish pond here. Wow.
Com gel, jo crec que són mores.
Okay.
Aquí sí que n'hi ha una mica de menta, Coming, some.
Yeah, but if they don't put water there, I will not come.
Però ha fotut mores aquí. Això són mores.
Small fish pond here.
Fotut mores. Algo de menta, però poca cosa, Tanta que en tenia.
There's some bamboos here, bamboo trees.
N'hi ha molt poca, no sé per què.
Let me see at the comment section if you know what is the name of this.
One berry.
Small berries here, I don't know exactly.
Let me try to eat.
This one, I don't know the name now in English.
Magrana.
No, in English, no.
Ah, no sé, magrana.
In Catalan or Spanish, they call it magrana, but in English, I don't know how it's called. If you know the name in the comment section, you can comment down below. Guys, making a lot of flowers. That's a forest view over here. This is somewhere in Spain. Small village located. No, they already left. They left already.
Se senta per allà.
No, no están aquí. ¿Qué faran aquí?
No el sents? Igual han tornat a baixar amb la bici.
It's the European view. That's the road over there, you can see.
Now, this is what they caught the other ones and left here, dry.
You need?
You here or them?
Yeah, but they're at home, I think.
Jo vaig cap a Sorbera, No, you can go there si vols.
Go into the Pirsak and go home.
Vale.
See you later.